Hey guys, this is Yusuf with That Tech though, and today I have an unboxing of the OnePlus 6T. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video, but let's quickly get into this one. So this is the OnePlus 6T. I got the base model of the 8GB, so it's 128GB of storage. Now there's key differences are that this has a fingerprint scanner in the display. It doesn't have one in the rear anymore. That's pretty cool. It's got a larger battery. We have a teardrop notch. It doesn't have a headphone jack. They have removed it, unfortunately. I think now it's going to be the wireless future. But yeah, let's quickly take a look around the device. So you can see here there's no headphone jack on the bottom or the top of the bottom. And for the specs, guys, this is the specs. I'll just put it on screen. And we'll just basically see what else we have in the box. So we'll put that on the side for now. We have the OnePlus dash charger. They're not going to call it dash charger anymore. They're going to be calling it something else. So this is the fast charger. You got your USB-C cable in red. And obviously you have now a 3.5mm headphone jack adapter. So that's pretty much it for the box. We do have actually something else in here, and OnePlus has been doing this for a while, so I really appreciate this. They provide a free TPU case, and you just don't want to forget that when you do pick up your OnePlus 6T. So it's a decent case. It's actually better than the OnePlus 6 case that they gave last time. So yeah, we'll put that on the side for now. That's pretty much it for the unboxing. And let's quickly turn this guy on, because obviously this is the main show. This is the full display OnePlus 6T. Now obviously you got the teardrop notch, but I'm pretty sure most people are going to find that fine. Now from the OnePlus 6, they have removed the LED notification. So you used to have a LED RGB notification right here. That's been removed, and obviously to have that symmetrical teardrop notch. And here it is booted up straight away. Quickly start all of this. I'm going to skip all of this so we get to the fingerprint scanning so I can show you that, guys. Right, so we are now at the fingerprint scanner. We are going to register this. So 1 2 3 4 5. Just do a generic password for now. And here it is. This is where the fingerprint scanner is going to be displayed. It's going to be right here. Now, in previous generation of the fingerprint scanner, you can just about make out where that hardware is actually sitting underneath the display. Well, this newer version, you can't see it. So that's pretty cool. Now, one of the reasons why it's green, and that's what I was told by one of the OnePlus reps, is that green is one of the best colors they had to use to illuminate your fingerprint. They tried every other color, but green was the best. So let's quickly scan this. I'm going to go a bit closer for you guys. Now this is obviously a little different from your traditional fingerprint scanners, so it takes a few more scans, which I've noticed. It's a bit more slower. Now it's asking me to continue this and adjust my finger to the edge. So we'll do more of that. And we got a fingerprint added. Next, we'll skip all of that. Okay, so we are finally in. This is the home screen. This is a really cool looking display. I've got to say something here. They actually reduced the chin on this one, so it's actually smaller than the OnePlus 6 by a millimeter. I know it doesn't sound much, but it does look a bit more better. Now, the teardrop notch is right here, and you can see the earpiece speaker just above it. It's very hard to make out, but you can just about see it probably. But yeah. So let's quickly try out that fingerprint scanner. See how fast it is. Now, bear in mind that it doesn't work when the screen display is off. You need to have ambient display on for it to be used straight away. So double tapping it does not wake the device. What it does do is that you have to basically lift the device to wake it. So there's a lift, and there's your scanner right there. Now, it didn't work the first time, so I was slightly worried about that. And I did hear reports about it not being scan fast enough. But to basically eliminate that, you can probably scan your fingerprint again, add another fingerprint, add the same thumb to your left and your right hand, and maybe that can increase the chances of it accurately hitting your fingerprint. So we'll quickly do that again with the screen display on. That was fast. Obviously not faster than your traditional fingerprint scanners, but good enough. I mean, the tech is there. This is the tech that a lot of people have been waiting for many, many years. We've been dreaming about this tech, and it's great to see that the OnePlus 6T is having that here. Just do a few more times. I want to do it with the wake on. And okay, that wasn't that bad. Do it one more time. Wake it here. There you go. Now obviously you can turn the notch off. This is just an unboxing here, but I've got something else for you guys. And this is basically a small giveaway. I have a OnePlus 6 case here, and I have a OnePlus 6T case here. So if you guys want these cases, I'll give them away. Just all you have to do is subscribe, share this video, give it a like, make sure you put that bell notification on for my next video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.